Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop image in Google Slide. So if you want to crop image in Google Slide, here is how you can get it done. So the first thing you have to do is you have to locate the image you wish to crop. So I'm going to just use one of the image on my slide as a guide. Alright, I'm going to use this as an example. This is an image right here. So if I want to crop this image, I'll just make sure I tap on it. You can see this particular image has been selected, currently selected, it has been selected. So you remove your mouse and you click on the drop down button right beside of this crop image. Once you do that, you can see there's another option. There's a reflected angle of this click that will allow you to crop this image. So for example, now just click on the edge of the image, then adjust it a little bit. You can also adjust this from the right side to the left side. It depends on how. Okay, good. You scroll like that. After that, then you tap on replace image. Okay, good. Alright, let's go back. You can see right here, this image has been cropped and has been adjusted to new current size, and that is how to crop image in Google Slide. If I video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.